Today I'm going to show you the solution to the Winged Lion puzzle, which is part of Escape Game 50 Rooms number 2. And this puzzle is in level 21, so I'll tap on level 21 now. And this puzzle is down here in the bottom right hand corner. And before you can solve this puzzle, you must have already found the missing winged lion. So it's over here, I found it. I'll tap on that, tap on the puzzle. The winged lion goes inside the puzzle and it says play this game. So to help you follow along with the solution then, this first pillar is, I'm going to call that pillar number 1, and the next one's going to be 2, and then 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And the object is to move those 3 winged lions, that's sort of a greeny colour, over here to the left, and then to move those sort of bronzy coloured winged lions over here to those 3 pillars on the right. Now the first move to make then is we need to move the lion from the 3 to the 4. So I'll tap on the 3, and that moves that one to the fourth position. Now the next one to move is we're going to tap on the lion on pillar 5, and that's going to move to 3. And the next one is we're going to move from 6, tap on 6, and that moves to 5. And now we're going to tap on 4, which moves to 6, 2, which moves to 4, and then 1, which moves to 2. Now next we're going to tap on 3, which moves to 1, 5, which moves to 3, and 7, which moves to 5. Now tap on 6, which moves to 7, 4, which moves to 6, and 2, which moves to 4. And now tap on 3, which moves to 2, and now 5, that moves to 3. And the last one I need to do is tap on 4, and it moves to 5. And you can see now that those 3 green ones are on the green pillars, and then the 3 bronzy ones are going to be on the red pillars. As soon as I tap on 4, and it moves to 5, and you can see I've solved the puzzle. I found that little handle, and I'll select that, and the puzzle is solved. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.